Now we're sitting here together and ask ourselves how we got here. How we got crystal clear idea of what you should fight for. There is no crystal clear idea of what you